In today's fast-paced world, technology is revolutionizing the way we work. The modern workplace is being reshaped by the advancements in technology, bringing about greater efficiency and flexibility. With the rise of remote work and collaboration tools, employees can now connect and communicate seamlessly with colleagues from different locations. This has led to a more diverse and global workforce, breaking down barriers and fostering creativity. Technology has also automated repetitive tasks, freeing up time for employees to focus on more strategic and meaningful work. Additionally, cloud computing has made data storage and access easier than ever before, ensuring that information is always available at our fingertips. Furthermore, artificial intelligence is transforming industries by streamlining processes and providing valuable insights through data analysis. As technology continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly continue to reshape the modern workplace, improving productivity, connectivity, and innovation for years to come.